Get ready for a blast from the past with a modern twist. The iconic Renault hot hatch is back, but this time it's electric. Introducing the Alpine A290, a 162 kilowatt electric city rocket with a push-to-pass mode that'll leave you breathless. The A290 is the sporty sibling of the reborn electric Renault 5. But this isn't just a rebadge. Alpine has packed in serious performance upgrades. It's the first of a wave of 7 electric vehicles coming from Alpine by 2030, aiming to take their performance legacy global. The A290 screams performance with its 19 inches wheels and sharp X-shaped headlights. But the real story is under the hood. Or should we say, under the floor. The A290 is faster and more dynamic than the Renault 5 thanks to a reworked suspension, upgraded powertrain, and a torque vectoring system to put all that power down. The interior is a driver's dream. A new Alpine branded steering wheel with a flat bottom puts controls for the push-to-pass and regenerative braking modes right at your fingertips. Sporty seats with extra bolstering keep you comfortable during aggressive driving, and Alpine accents throughout remind you of the heritage behind the wheel. The A290 boasts a dual-screen setup with unique graphics, a cool pair of pyramids for speed and power on the instrument display, and Alpine-specific infotainment on the central touchscreen. There's even an Alpine telemetrics app to track your performance and coach you on becoming a better driver. And let's not forget the sound. The A290 features a 9-speaker, 615-watt DV-outlet sound system that pumps out specially designed driving sounds to enhance the experience. The A290 comes in 2 electric motor options, 132 kilowatt for the base models and 162 kilowatt for the GT Performance and GTS. Both are paired with the Renault 5's largest 52 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering an estimated range of up to 380 kilometers on a single charge. Plus, you get DC fast charging for quick top-ups on the go. The quickest A290 can launch from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.4 seconds, making it a true pocket rocket. The A290 offers 4 drive modes: Save, Normal, Sport, and Personal. The Personal mode lets you customize everything from steering weight to sound effects, letting you tailor the driving experience to your preference. The A290 comes loaded with 26 advanced safety features, including a unique My Safety switch button that allows you to create a custom safety profile with your preferred level of intervention for each system. European markets will get 4 A290 trims at launch, with pricing expected to start around $46,000. That makes it a bit pricier than some competitors, but the Alpine badge and electric performance might just be worth it. The 2025 Alpine A290 is a thrilling return for the classic hot hatch name. It blends electric power with a sporty driving experience and a luxurious interior. The A290 is expected to hit European showrooms later this year. So, what do you think? Does the Alpine A290 pique your interest? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content here at NamCar channel. Thanks for watching.